Hey guys, Happy New Year. Well, this is 2017 and we just finished our fishing for carp, catfish, bass, whatever for the first time in 2017, and we had a lot of fun. Me and my wife, we went from here, and then there were a bunch of other friends. Basically what happened was I called one of my friends. He was like, he wants to go fishing, so I called him, and then he called another friend, and he called another friend, and turns out we all were like, I don't know, 12, 15 of us, and I just saw a couple more showed up, so it was fun. I caught 2 catfish, let's see, 1 carp, a decent size, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounder, and we had some other pool. Basically I missed the tide, and the water is we're losing the water, so it was fun. And fun thing was my wife never caught a fish before, so she caught a fish today, and a couple other friends who never caught a fish before, and they were able to catch fish too. So it was fun experience for everybody, and we're going to continue fishing in the Alexandria Power Station 4-mile run park. And you know, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching, and Happy New Year again. Thank you. Here, take it, put it down, give it to me. Here, fight it, take it, put it down, take it, rod up. No, hold it this way. Hold it. Fight it. Fight the fish. You got it. We just got here like 5 minutes ago and we're already on a fish. Yeah, you got it. Come on. You got it. Rod up all point. Rod should be up. Okay, I got the net. Whoops. We're not even done setting up, man. Alright, hold on. Let me call you back. I got a fish on. Wait, I got it, wait. Let me land it. Wait.
I got it.
Yes, you do. Here we go. Your first fish ever. It's not a carp, but it's a catfish, but it's a fish. And that's great.
I got it first. I'm so excited.
Oh man.
But it's not a carp.
You will get a carp, don't worry. I'll get you a carp. I'm gonna get you a lot of fish today.
Okay, let me see.
Alright. There is a problem with this fish. There is a red mark.
What's the meaning of red mark?
I don't know, it's probably sick.
So we don't need to take it on to home?
No. We're not keeping any fish today.
Yeah.
For ourselves. Here we go. Beautiful fish. Caught by my wife. Good job.
Thank you.
Alright, buddy.
Go.
There we go.
Bye. No, I'm coming.
You want to? Come on.
No.
Small fish. Here. Come this side. Go on this side. Go on that side. Go on the other side. Right there. Well. No, it's not tangled up with this line. Go on that side. Here you go. Rod up all the time.
Yeah.
I'll get the net. Wait. Yep, baby catfish. No, wait. Stay on this side.
Yeah.
Go in the water. Get in the water. Put in the water for me.
Yeah.
Put in the deeper water. What are you doing? Here, hold this. Take this. Give it to me. Come on, buddy. Go in the water. Get in the net. There we go. All right, here, hold the rod. All right, I'll lift it up. All right, come with me. Let's go.
1 second, hold it.
Okay.
Take a rod, please.
All right, I'll hold the rod. Come on. Here, I'll give you a hand. Come on. Careful. All right, go have a seat. I'll take care of this. Another cute little carp.
Little carp?
No, sorry, catfish.
Catfish.
Yeah, it's not a carp. There we go. Time to let him go. All right, buddy. Yep. Come on. He's going through the rocks. It's getting stuck. There. Turn around. Other way. Not this way. Turn around, buddy. He doesn't want to go. There we go. Swimming away. Do you want to catch it? Careful, careful, careful. Hold it tight. It's strong. It's carp. Okay. Let it go. Let go hand. Hold it here.
Okay.
Careful. This is a strong fish. Carps are strong. All right, you got it. Beautiful small carp. All right, wait. Now, got it. All right. The first carp of 2017. Careful. Here, give it to me. Put it down. Put down the rod.
Yeah.
Put it down.
Let.
Move out of the way. Move the seat. I need this place. Got stuck. Hold on to this. Three. Oh, come on. All right, first carp of 2017.